Hey guys, so I think I'm dealing with some sticky turbo vanes. So I went and ordered this off Amazon. It's either Wynn or Wynn's turbo cleaner. We're gonna give this a shot. I had already replaced the boost control position sensor in my turbo. A lot of the YouTube comments recommended the one from Rock Auto. I paid, I think it was like $113 for it. Easy install, it took 20 minutes, but it didn't fix my problem. So we're gonna go ahead, pour this down the tank. I believe I have about 12 gallons of diesel fuel in here right now. Just to give you an idea of what the vanes are doing, in the bottom right-hand corner, I have the vane percentage. No check engine light today. All right, vanes are 25, 26%. So in the past, they've been stuck at 54 and then immediate check engine light comes on. I'm gonna go ahead and back out of the garage. I think I'm just starting to have the vane problem. Hopefully I'm catching it early. Go put that cleaner in the tank and we'll go for a decently long drive. Right, we're gonna go ahead and dump her in the tank. All right, so from everything I read online, it says about 12 gallons of fuel, or I think it's just a touch over that, and drive it really hard. So we're gonna go on the highway. I'm gonna try to stay at least 70 the whole time. We're at 111,814 miles. I think we'll go ahead and take it to a car wash about 30-ish minutes away. So there and back, at least an hour of driving, see if it makes any difference. I just finished wrapping up. Honestly, I have no idea. I guess time will tell. Vane seemed to be doing fine when driving once the truck warmed up. I'm at 111 or 112,000 now, 1 mile. Went and put 20 bucks back in, so I'm back at a quarter tank, but we used almost 3/4 of a tank to empty pretty much the entire time. So I guess I'll keep you guys updated, see what happens as time goes on. Like I said, we're at 19%, but it seemed like they had full range of motion the entire time. I saw, I think, 0, 1%, and then I know for a fact I saw 97%. I might have seen 100%, so I'll keep you guys updated. We'll see what happens. All right, so I just pulled it in the garage. They're at 14%, and I noticed that I have full range of motion when I activate my my DSP5 switch here. So you should notice a tone difference. Now they're at 81, 82. Switching it back. So yeah, I honestly have no idea. Hopefully it fixed. It'll save me, you know, $4 grand if I don't have to put a new turbo in. So I'll keep you guys updated.